Welcome to OBS Dash. One of our next projects right here is this Bigfoot truck. Well, maybe not Bigfoot, but it's a pretty big truck. This is getting a dash in it. Let's go to the inside. This is just the way I got it. I haven't done anything to it yet. So this is the way it was brought to me. I have to iron all this out and put a harness in it and make it work. So since this is the way it came, this is the way I'm going to start the video. I haven't touched it yet. I'll explain why. Haven't had a chance. So this truck here is a step back here. Crew cab, full drive, Chevrolet. I think it's Chevrolet, yeah. This is the dash that's getting right here. Not this dash on my truck, but it's getting the dash that's getting worked on inside. So we might make a few changes from this one to the one there, but probably not going to be too drastic, if any. So in order to work on this truck, it's right here. So this is what I'm going to work on under the trees here, because Florida is blistering hot. So in order to do this, I had it sitting over there after I first got it. I had to get that tree cut down. So in order to get that tree cut down, first I had to do that, then I had to get the stump done. They didn't show back up after I had the tree cut down. So I could move all these trucks. They were all sitting over there because the motorhome was sitting right here. I had nowhere to put all this stuff until I got the 2 containers to keep all my parts in, and naturally I work in that shop there, and then these are all my trucks and my NASCAR trucks sitting there. So there's another blue long bed standard cab project, and then mine here. So now that I can start working on this truck, I'll get get everything taken out of it and cleaned out, the whole inside of the truck cleaned out, and we'll start from there and get a shelf started to put everything on. I'll try to have an update sometime soon. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to start on this yet, but I got it under the shade tree, so it's all inside stuff to do, so we'll work on it. We'll be a shade tree mechanic this time. How's that?